Let's start the video. This is old laptop battery, let's open it. So guys, we got the cell from this battery. Let's check the battery voltage. Let's check the output voltage of BMS. It is showing 15.4 volt. So friends, the battery and BMS are in good condition. Let's check this one. I have already removed all the nickel strip. All the batteries are discharged, adding approximately 1.5 volt. And the BMS is not working. So guys, we got 6 cells from this battery, and 4 cells from this battery. So guys, it depends upon your luck. Sometimes you will get all battery good, or sometimes nothing. This battery from electronic shop. And this from laptop repair shop.